This phone cost me $14. You heard me right, only $14. This phone is so cheap, there's even an option to get it without the box. But I chose to get the box for $2 extra because you can't do an unboxing without a box. So what do we get for $14? We get Android 8, a 2.4-inch display, 4 gigs of storage, no cameras whatsoever, a 1000 mAh battery, 512 megabytes of RAM, the MediaTek 6580 in my opinion. Yeah, these are our main specs. Let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so this is probably the phone, and they give us a charger at least, you know. Feels very light though. So this is how our phone looks like. Feels, oh, what I do here? I haven't seen this type of battery in like so many years. Okay, just a piece of paper they put. I'm guessing this is the speaker. This plastic is really cheap. So yeah, let's power it on. Weco. Interesting. And of course it comes pre-set up. SIM card is unplugged. Okay, good to know. So this does look like Android on first impressions. Alright, about phone. Model number 007. Alright, Android 8. Let's see what it really is. Yep, that is. At least according to the settings, it looks legit. But you can never really know. I mean, this looks nothing like Android 8. It looks more like Android 4 or KitKat or something. Yeah, I just look at that. This is definitely Android 4.4 KitKat. I mean, honestly, just look at it. I know how Android 8 looks like, and this is not it. So they did a good job in masking it. Alright, it had to redirect me to like the web version of sending it to the Play Store. I didn't film that part, but who really cares? So apparently I'm signed in. But nothing's happening, so I'm going to try and type something. And the typing experience is so bad. See, T. I want a T. T. Okay, I'm going to try and reloading the Play Store. Ah, there we go. Now we're gonna try knife hit. Thank God for autocorrect. Nope, I'm in the movie section for some reason. No, wait, no. Games. It doesn't even have knife hit. It has knife hitting. It's okay. It looks about the same. Let's just install it. All right, I just opened. Knife hit won't let you update Google Play services. Knife hitting. It's not knife hit. It's knife hitting. So okay, we gotta update the Google Play services apparently. So let's just do that. For not even a gig of RAM, the phone. That was quick. So for not even having a gig, the phone runs pretty good. Okay, that was too low. Huh. Not bad. It's not even stuttering. Okay, it kinda is, but I can still like play the game normally. Oh, what the hell? Restart. But it just goes big. You want to know the reason it's running so good? It's because these are games that are meant for phones that came out 10 years ago. So of course, there's not going to be any lag. Like you can't download any modern games on this phone because the Android version is so old. Okay, so after updating Google Play services, it looks like we have the modern Play Store now. Oh, okay, Knife Hit, the original, like the real Knife Hit. We're going to install this now. And of course it's lagging. And this is without ads. Huh, look at that. It doesn't start that bad for the price. But yeah. Alright, so Wind Rider. Let's see how this runs. And that's the last game I'm testing. Oh, oh, I survived. It's like 1 frame per second. Yeah, no. So I tapped the YouTube icon like 30 seconds ago and still nothing's happening. Okay, now the phone's not responding. Oh, there you go. We're gonna wait a bit longer, I guess. What the? Let me pause. Thank you. So the speaker isn't that bad. It gets pretty loud, but there's a bit of distortion and the overall quality is not that good. But for $14, I think the speaker looks great. It just, it kind of irritates your ears when it's at full volume just because of all that distortion. But other than that, it's pretty good. I don't usually do this in my reviews, but I really want to know how the call quality is. So we're going to call this phone right now. Alright, so it looks like this takes only micro SIM, not nano, which is this big. So we're going to try and put this inside and see if it recognizes the SIM. Alright, let's see if this works. So right away we have SIM card changed. Data connection off, that's fine. Alright, looks like the SIM is nice and connected. Now we're going to call this phone. Okay. Let's try the speaker first. Hello? Hello, hello, hello. Hello. How are you doing? Test, test. Alright, so the speaker and microphone work fine. Like really no complaints, and you even get texts, of course. And yeah, so should you buy this phone? Well, this phone is for certain type of people. Like if you need an Android phone that's as cheap as possible, you don't need a camera, you just need it to make phone calls and run a few basic apps, then this phone does the job. So yeah, I think for $14 this phone is worth it, so long you know what you're buying and you know that it's not going to be the fastest and all that. So yeah, let me know what you think of this $14 smartphone. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.